Hello everyone, we the students of Computer Engineering Department presenting a major project presentation on interactive chatbot system. Our group members are Doleshwari, Aniket Ambare, Nikunj Vig, and me myself, Renold Lam, under the guidance of faculty mentor Professor A.O. Thakre. Moving on. The problem statement states to build an interactive chatbot system for college using various NLP, Sci-Fi Python packages, and a deep learning algorithm that sequence to sequence so as to avail the user with information they need. Basically, what we are trying to do is creating a chatbot system for the college using Python that is specifically to be used as Spider to cope up with the different questions which parents come up with or many of the students which are new come up with. Moving on to the approach. Basic text pre-processing with NLKT, that is Natural Language Toolkits. Organize data in structures so that it gets valid for operation. Called multinomial naive Bayes algorithm to classify the data, abstract the algorithm, that is training process, and then lastly test it. What we do here is we implement our chatbot through various NLKT toolkits which we are implementing in our chatbot, which we are inheriting. The second comes up with the organizing data into small parts for valid operations so that each operation is different and can be uniquely identified. For each and every operation, we use different algorithms for classification of the data, and then training process is abstraction, and the lastly is the testing of the chatbot system. Third comes up with the technologies which we require. The hardware requirements are 8 GB RAM, 1 GB graphic cards, 1 TB SSD. Software requirements are Python, Spider, specifically 3.3.1, NLKT packages, machine learning. Here is a snapshot of the navigator page which we use, that is Anaconda Navigator. Spider, Scientific Python Development Environment, or with an IDE with advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspection features. Implementation. So to begin with the implementation for chatbot, we must include specific libraries so that we envy various characteristics. We copy only 4 libraries which we needed, and here are the mentioned 4 libraries. Import NUMPY, NumPy, SNP, import TensorFlow STF, import RE, import time. Part 1 of the coding process is data pre-processing. So nowadays there is a great demand of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So in the data pre-processing part, this involves a series of steps to pre-process the imported data set to the required format needed for it to work with the sequence-to-sequence model in TensorFlow. So in the first part, we create a dictionary so that mapping of each line and ID can be done. So words like I hope so, she's okay, they do not, they do, they real you, do you listen, but then all you had to say, well, no. So words like this were included into the dictionary so that max to max conversation can be implemented and recognized by the chatbot. Then creating a list of all the conversations which we did here, then getting separately the question and the answers. So various questions and various answers are separately made into and stored in the database, where a specific question has a specific answer, and word to word that question, if implemented, can be answered. If the length of the list in the dictionary is even, the first conversation is taken as the question and the second one as the answer. The rest of the part will be explained by Dolly.